Now, one of the issues that I'm going to run into here, this looks a little bit better framed here, but I've got this extra space on both sides. That's where the links come in right here. You can see that these are both linked. If I select this link right here and right click, I can go to Edit Original, and this will open it up in Photoshop because that's where it was created. Now, what I need to do is basically extend the canvas out some. So this is different than increasing the size. We want to actually increase the canvas. We need to increase it a little bit on top and a little bit on the sides. So let's do that. To do this, you go to Image, Canvas Size. It's going to expand out depending on where this circle is. So I need to expand from the sides and the top. Let's do that. So for our height, let's just make that 5,000. And for our width, let's make that 3,800. Hit enter. You can see we've gotten these areas scaled out. Let's go to our lasers layer right here. If I hit Command T for transform, that was Command R for, we can just resize this. And if I hold down Shift, because this background doesn't really need to be proportional, I can hold down Shift and just kind of fill in the entirety of it. It doesn't really matter if this gets distorted because it's just laser beams. There we go. Enter. Now if we save, Command S, and come back over to here, our InDesign file, if we look at our links and double click, this should extend the size out some. All right. So it's still keeping it within the same scale. So now I need to press my S button to scale this out. Holding down Shift. All right, so that looks pretty good. Let's go down just a little bit.